Welcome to Do It Yourself with Phred and Phestus. I'm Festus. Phred will be with us in just a short while. Last minute call nature, don't you know? Nothing's more irritating to a bird than an empty feeder. Phred will be with us in a minute with an ingenious answer to this problem. Oh, I see Phred coming now.
Yep, I've got the seed. And we're going to show you the old Phred and Phestus patented dual fill and spill method for filling up a bird feeder.
I'll take these down there, Phred.
Okay, and we'll be back in a moment. Yeah, nice job there, Festus. You had that top off of those things. Yeah, a little stubborn. I think those birds. I think the birds use a little super glue there.
There we go.
Yeah, get them off there.
Now remember, we gotta put our safety glasses on first. You want to get these seeds in your eyes.
Yeah, that's right. No seeds in the eyes. We don't want things growing out. We all know that's how you get pregnant, swallowing watermelon seeds. We don't want that happening with our eyeballs, that's for sure. Okay, now I'm about to demonstrate the patented Phred and Phestus dual fill and spill method for filling up a bird feeder. Here we go, folks. Here we go.
Good job there, Phred.
There you go. All right, we got that done. We filled those up in under 4 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Under 4 seconds we did that. And that's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Well, that's it. That's Do It Yourself with Phred and Phestus for today, folks. We've just shown you our patented dual fill and spill method of filling bird feeders. We'll be back in a few days with another episode of Do It Yourself with Phred and Phestus.
Phred, about all these seeds here, that mess is not good for business.
Yeah, well, I suppose we could use the next show for our subject. We could talk about how to clean them up.
Good idea.